Good day, Divergence Traders. How you doing today? I hope everybody's fine and well. Yes, I have done some good scalp trades today. Okay, let's start with the NASDAQ. We're on the 5-minute time frame. If you look at the top of my screen, you'll see it. Yeah. So, what did we have here? See this one right here? That's 9:30 when the stock market opens. Excuse me. You see the baton there? Baton? Where it's a stick at each end. You know, you see those girls flip the baton at the... Where do they do that? The football games in the United States, I think. And I'm pretty sure it's called a baton. Baton is French. Oh, Mozi. Baton. Anyway, let me show you here. Let's go up to the 1 hour. Yeah, oh, that'll work. Okay. This white line. Holy jeez. Okay, so this here white line is the low of yesterday. Remember the big sell-off yesterday. Okay. Let's go back to the 5-minute. So I had two reasons to get into my trades here, and I'll show them to you in a second. So let's go. This is on a demo, okay? Oh, I got to read you the disclaimer. Okay, one sec. Right here, we have a high and a higher high. Okay. One sec. Okay, all forms of trading carry a high level of risk. So you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose, because you can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. I don't know what they mean by steak, but I like to eat steak for dinner. Do you? That's not how you spell steak. Steak and mushrooms now, is it? So, please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. And familiarize yourself with the risks involved, and if necessary, seek a stuttering independent advice, as I am not a licensed financial advisor. Okay, we're done with that. See ya. Okay, so we had a high and a higher high. And we had a high and a lower high on the indicator of choice. Now, say you waited to get in. Right here. So you got in right here. So what would happen is it went right back up 59 points and would have scared the living bejesus out of you. And then they collapsed it down. Once they collapsed it down, oh yeah. We knew what was going on. Look at all these wicks. Back, buy, back, and even back up to here. How many points did it go back up? 63 points, basically, and went right back down just to make a new low by a couple tickers. And then look what they did. The bastard shot it right up again. But look at this. Look at this. This here was a double bottom. It was a very small, tight one, but it was one. Okay, let me show you. Right here, like that. You can line it up. Yeah, see, right there, right here, right here. Even better. This one goes down here to the bottom. Oh yeah, even better, ladies and gents. See how it looks twice as long, but this one's as short, but it lines up. Look. Oh, I've overdrawn it a little bit, but let me just make it just to show you. This one looks much longer than this one, doesn't it? Oh, it's on an angle. But anyway, it lines up. If you would have got in right here after the 15 minutes, I know my stops are big. And when there's quick change in the market, where I do my entry sucks. I understand that. I do. But But I don't trust it until my system plays out its, its duties. And the two duties are the 5 crosses up above the 7, the price crosses up above the 2 moving averages, and hopefully closes above the 2 moving averages, which this is that scenario. Okay, so you would have got long right there. Your stop would be exactly 53 points. Then we got 53 points. Oh, you betcha, Skippy. Don't be surprised now it's going to go to new lows and just fall and fall and fall. But I also don't think that will happen either. I don't know for sure. I'm like 50-50 on it. Okay, now let me show you the same chart, but on my live account, okay? So, here we are. Reason number 1, why did I sell it here? I'll tell you. Because we had divergence. And we had a fake out, a buy fake right here on the open. Okay? And then it came up again right to yesterday's low. This white line is yesterday's low. Okay? There's the reasons why I got in this trade. And then she came down, I was hoping for it to break the low of the 8:30 news. This is the 8:30 news, I think. Yeah, it's 15:30. It's some kind of news. I don't even know what news it is. Anyway, I don't trade the news. But I was hoping for this to break, and then it finally broke here, and that's when I said, oh, because I already took my profit. But I was hoping it was going to break through here. So then I took my profit here, and then it came down, and it did break these lows. Then I said, I'm going to sell some more, baby. So I sold some more. And then it came down, and I said, okay, we've made a new low through here, right? So I sold again. So I had my 3 positions on. And I took profits. So I took profits 1 time, 2 times, 3 times a lady. Okay? And I didn't trust it to go all the way down here, but it did. I had a take profit set right here. So it came down. I said, "Fook it. I'm going to get in." Look at it coming back down hard and fast. Look at that. Look at that. I think it's going back down, going to make a new low. Because they got everybody buying. Now they're going to go after them. They're going to go after the gold. They're going to come and hunt you down like Rambo. Yes. If you're long right now from those 3 candles up, they're coming to get you, boy. They're coming to get you. Just like Rambo. They drew first blood, Adrian. They drew first blood. I love that movie. When I first watched it, it was in the early 80s. I was just glued to the TV from the start to the finish. Oh, I love that first Rambo movie, man. It's so cool. If you haven't watched it, go watch the original first movie, Rambo. With, what's his name? I don't know, he's from New York. Can't remember. But here's a quick funny story. Before he made all his money, he had this dog. Okay? And he was poor. He didn't even have enough money for food. We're talking about the main guy, Rambo. I can't remember his name right now. Damn it. He's an Italian guy. Anyway, he had no money for food, nothing. And he was in front of this grocery store or something with his dog. Or, yeah, with his dog. And this guy, I don't know how they came to the conversation, but he said, "Hey, that's a nice dog. You want to sell it?" So he sold he sold his dog to some guy for some money because he needed some food. And so then it was like, then he wrote the book, right? Rambo. He's wrote a few books and movies. What's his name? Look at that. It's coming right down. Coming right down. Just like I tell you. Rambo's coming. You better run. You drew first blood. So anyway, he sold his dog to the guy for, I don't know, $100 or 20. No, I think it was, No, 100. I think it was $100. And then he wrote that movie. He made some money, and he loved his dog so much. He went and he went to that same area or whatever, and he found the guy with his dog, and he said, "Hey, I'll give you $100 or whatever." It was more than what he paid him that day. And he said, "Nope." This homeless guy said, or whatever, said, "Nope, nope, I'm keeping the dog." He said, "Come on, I'll give you 500. I'll give you 1,000. No, no." And then he goes, "Well, how much do you want?" He says, 25,000. He loved his dog so much he bought it back for $25,000. Yeah, man, isn't that a crazy story? It is. I just can't think of his freaking name. Oh, it drives me crazy when I have a memory blank. Anyway, so there's the scalp trades I done right here. Ding, ding, cash in. Ding, 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 cash in. And one single order lot, cash in, ding. It was a very good trading day today. All winners. Okay, let's go back to the demo account. Okay, here we are. So that's why I got into selling right here, because of these two reasons. They did a buy fake. They sold off of yesterday's low, and that's why I got in. And then they slowly grinded it down, and I was able to take profits all the way down. Let's see. Let's look at the 1 minute. Let's see. What do we have on the 1 minute? Did we have divergence up here? No. No. We didn't on the 1 minute. Look at how it grinded down and grinded down and grinded and back up. Grind, 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 grind. Jesus. So anyway, that's that double bottom. We're looking on the 5 minute. But there was another trade, okay? Yeah. It's right here. Okay, we got all these. I know it's a long divergence, and it's valid. It's valid. It's on a 1 minute. Okay, it's even on the 5 minute, I think. See what I got long right in there. Okay. Stop was 25, and you got 37, so you got your 1-to-1. And here is the double bottom, also divergent. Or hold on. No, it's not divergent on the 1 minute. It's not. It's not. I'm not going to tell you no lies here. It's not. It was only divergent on the 5 minute where you would have got in right here. Crazy. Anyway, there were some nice trades on there today. Let's go look at the S&P now. Okay. That was the 1 minute was double top, but I'll show you here. Right here like this, high and higher highs. I don't know why that's there, but anyway. Right there. So you would have sold right here. Boom. Sell right there, stop right there, didn't go back there. Okay, what was the stop? Oh, 11 points on the S&P. And I went down 15.5 points, so it's all good. It's all good. Would have made points. Would have made your 1-to-1. Okay, let's look at the Dow. Oh, Dow a little crazy and shaky. But still, has the same trade right here. High and higher highs. This goes down like this. Would have sold it right there exactly on that candle. You see how it zigzagged up? But, well, it crossed here actually. There could have been a trade here, double top. And you would have sold. Yeah, you would have sold right here on the close of this, or the opening of this. And your stop would have been right here. See, there's a loser right there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to hide it from you. I'm not going to say, oh, I didn't see that trade. I only show winners. No, no, no. There's no picking my nose here, and there's no cherry picking here either. I don't cherry pick. If there's a loser, I'm going to fucking show you it. And that's it. The truth. You want the truth. So if you would have sold it right here, you would have lost 57 points on that trade. Now, remember I told you about how if you lose on a trade, you got to just relax, breathe in, breathe out, and wait for the next setup, right? And sometimes it's the exact same setup, but it's just a few candle bars later. Okay? Like it is right here. So, the sell was right here on the opening of this candle, which was at 10 o'clock exactly. So you would have got short there. Your stop would have been 78 points. Did we get it? Did we get it here? Did we get it? Did we get it? Yes, we just got it by the skin of our teeth, man. 80 points. And we're looking for 78. And we got it. And we got it. Now, is there divergence up here? Oh, yeah. There is. Yeah, NASDAQ going right back to the low. Now, I bet you they're going to make new lows now in the day. Now that they suckered everybody into buying, the bastards. This game is so dirty. Dirty, rotten bastards. Bastards. Okay. Here's the next trade. Let me show you. We're just going to do a little flip over like that. And we're going to do a little flip over with this one. Pretty neat how I can do that, eh? Yeah. What kind of divergence do we call this? Doesn't that look like a weird one? Yeah, it's hidden, man. It's hidden divergence. It definitely is. Oh my God, I better stop yelling. Sorry about the yelling. Sometimes I get a little excited and I talk much louder. So you would have sold it right there. Stop would have been 88 points. I bet you already got the 88 points. You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. There's 90 points right there. Got it by 2 points. So maybe it didn't close yet. It needs to come down a little bit more. But I'm sure if you put your take profit right freaking there, okay, there, it would have closed the trade just now. But anyway, I was going to say, if it would have come that close to your take profit, you'd just click the close button. There's some silly people. I gotta laugh at this. There's some traders out there. I'm sorry if you do this, what I'm about to say, don't take it personal. Okay, just don't. Okay, but there's a lot of traders out there that only will get in and out of their trade with orders on the chart. They will not click, buy or sell. They will not do market orders. You know what I mean? They won't. To get in or out of their trades. They won't do it. Now, there's some people who have the skills. They can do that. And they can get away with it. And they can make a lot of money. You know what I mean? But most of us, we can't do that. I can't even do that. That's why I do not use limit orders. Or, I don't try to catch falling knives. And I don't try to catch flying knives where they throw the knife up at you. You know why you don't catch knives? Because they're sharp and they'll cut your fucking hand. Yeah, that's why. Okay, let's move on. I'm sure some of you think I'm a little crazy. Please excuse that. That's just the way I am. I've been trading for 22 years. What do you want from me? Okay, let's look at the pound. Oh, the pound. It didn't go anywhere, you bastards. Look at this. There's divergence right here, and you have two reasons to sell it, because this is the main pivot, and the divergence, right? So we got high and higher high. We have a sell-off of the main pivot. Okay, here's the divergence. You would have got in. See, slow freaking entry. Oh, man. there an ICT setup here? Kind of looks like it. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Right here in the opening of the candle, you sold it. And guess what happened? You put the stop at the closest swing high, it's 12, 13 points, and it didn't even get that. So here's a losing trade, ladies and gentlemen. That's what that is. Here's another one, actually. Maybe this one will continue to go higher and work out. It's right here. It's hard to see a bullish divergence. See? This one going up. What the hell you want? What the hell is this? Go screw off. Stupid thing just pops up. Look, it won't go away. What the fuck is that shit? Okay, it's gone now. Stupid shit pop. Damn pop-ups, eh? Okay, so you would have got long right there. Stop is 10 points. Oh, look, you already hit the first target. It was a winner. Chicken dinner. Look at that. 18 points it went up. That is the pound. 18 pips. Pound dollar. Let's take a look at the euro dollar now. Oh, look at those. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look right here. Let me show you. We have right from here to here the news spike. Okay. Would have got in right there. I know. I know. It's way the hell up there. 22-point stop. Went up 16. Then we had a thing like that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come off the pot, man. Okay, right here. Like that. Would have got short right in here. Right there in the opening of this candle. Would have got short. Your stop would be 12 pips. And you got the 12 pips. There it is. Sorry, just had to hack a loogie boogie. And yes, there's divergence here too. Right here. Just like that. And just like this. Okay. And there's the arrow to sell it was probably right there. So we got short there. Your stop is always at the closest near swing high in a sell trade and the closest near swing low in a buy trade. Okay. So we got a 6-point stop. There's your 6 points right there. You hit the target. I know you're going, who cares about 6 points? That's nothing. That's chicken scratch. Well, you do a few winning trades like this and it all adds up. So right here, 21 points. Well, yeah, you didn't get that, but you would have got something out of it. Say you got 15 points. This one you got in. You got like 10 points for sure out of that one. Yeah, it hit the target. You got 13. So there's 23 points and then 6. 29 points. 29 points for the day is good if you've done these 1, 2, 3 trades. Let's move along now. Pound yen. Oh, pound yen. Oh, that's the 15-minute. Going, why does that look a little strange? Oh, yeah. I see the trade. There's a trade on the 15 too, but here we go. Low retracement, lower lows. Doesn't look divergent, does it? But it is, but it is. Let me show you, let me show you. Right here. Okay. And you would have got long right there. The stop was like 20 pips. It went up 77 pips. That's 3-to-1 win-loss ratio on that one. And let me show you on the fifth. Yeah, look at that. It's drawn there. Right here. Low retracement, lower low. This is the 15-minute. And this one, you just gotta. No, it's not. It's going down. Whatever. So still, you had a big bullish candle close up above the moving averages. The 5 crossed up above the 7. Right there. Buy it anyway. It's the moving average cross. And up it went 60 pips. There you go. You gotta like it. It's all good. It's all good. All good, ladies and gents. Okay, let's check out the EJ. I was going, oh, I already marked them? No, that's from yesterday. Too funny. Oh, God. EJ's ugly. Oh, ugly. There's a trade. Let me show you. Got to show you. I see it. I see it. Right there. High and higher highs. Lower high on the indicator. Would have sold right there. Okay, right on the opening right there. Stop is always the closest swing high, where 9 times out of 10 it never comes back to your stop, because that's the place to stop. You got to know where to place your stop or you're in freaking trouble. Okay, 16 pips we need. Did we get it? Did we get it? Did we get it? No, we missed it by 2 pips. Aww. 13.7, we need 16. Well, you're like 2 pips from your target. Do you think if it started going back up, you would have like closed it and maybe locked in 7 to 9 pips or so? I think so. Or you could have let it go and, well, you would have got break even probably then. Because we got in here, came back up, you would have got out break even. Or you lost a few points. No biggie. Okay, and now oil. What did oil do today? Woo-wee. Glad I didn't trade any oil today. There's no divergence here. Look at this. Because it came down so rapidly. This valley needs to be more shallow than this one. And it's not. There's no trade. Well, there is right here. Kind of like the 3 amigos, eh? 1 amigo, 2 amigo, 3 amigo. Let's go down. So there is a trade here. Let's see. Probably divergence for sure on the 1 minute. I guarantee you that. So we would have got short on the close of this candle. Stop was exactly, 53 points. It didn't go down that far. It only went down 23. But it's still in progress. Not that that's a trade, any trade advice or a trade signal. I am not a financial advisor. Okay. Let's take a quick look on the 1 minute and see what we can find there. Just going to look from 8 o'clock, okay? First trade is right here. Low and lower lows. We got long right in here. This is the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. We step down to find the trades. So the stop here is at the nearest swing low, see? When we're buying. So what did that say? 23 ticks. went up 42 to there. And then we have hidden divergence, which I have named hard to see divergence. Why is it hard to see? That's why they call it hidden, because it's hard to see it. Okay, right here to that swing low. And from this little doodah right here, there you go. There's the divergence. Got in right there. Right at resistance at the time. Your stop would go right here or even right here if that was the perfect whatever. So you got a stop of 16, went up 53. Then we came up here and we do have a short, okay? Right there. Right there to right there. You would have got short right here. And I don't know if we would have got anything from it or not. We got short right there. Stop is the closest swing high, 25 points. Guess what? There's 28 points. We would have got it. We would have got it. Then we have more divergence. This is the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, amigos. Okay. It gives you, divergence is king, man. It's the master. Why? It gives you so many different signals. Double tops, double bottoms, bearish counter trend, bullish counter trend, with the trend, hidden divergence, bearish and bullish. You see that? There's 6 different setups you can do with divergence. 6 of them. You tell me of a system that has 6. Again, once again, I was watching Emilio today, and yeah, he has one setup, I think, this guy. And anyway, some days he doesn't find any trades. You know what I mean? He doesn't find any. And there's a lot of them, man. There's a ton of them. Look at all the signals here in the 1 minute. 1, 2, 3. Here's number 4. Buy right there. Swing lows. That's where your stop is. 34 points. Look how it doesn't come after your stop again and again and again. Went up, oh, 666. Number of the beast. See that? 666. I know, I'm nuts. Okay. I think the beast runs these markets. That's Al. He's the devil. He runs these markets and steals all our money. Because he's always changing direction and mixing you up. So the stop was 34 points. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and it went up 71. Okay. You think we have more divergence up here? Look, we do. Check it fucking out. You can't make this shit up, man. You can't. I'm showing it to you right before your eyes, and you can see all these trades in real time, ladies and gentlemen. Real freaking time. Okay? Let's do this one right there. 17 points. And it went down 38. Look, it can't be. Is there divergence here also? No, it can't be. It can't be. But it is. Hate to tell you, but it is. It is divergent, ladies and gentlemen. You would have got long in here. Almost done, ladies and gents. Oh no, we still have gold yet. For my buddy Fook. Especially for him, we're going to do gold. He's my student. And, you know, I tell them all, I say, hey, you can, you know, if you invest in the course, you can send to me up to 3 different charts with divergence on it, which you think is divergence, and you can ask me, is this divergent? And I'll tell you yes or no. And if it's not, I'll explain to you why it's not. That's the kind of support you get from investing in my very, very fair value course price. Okay? So we would have got long right there. Our stop would have been 26 points. And it went up 49. Can't be. Now, is there divergence again down here? Is this a double top up here? No. Is this a double bottom down here? No. Sorry, I had to throw that in because I know there's so many people saying, oh, there's no double tops. I've never seen one. Oh, I've seen some. That's a perfect one. Look, it's straight across. It's glued to the very top of the wick and the very top of this wick. That's a perfect one. Yeah. Can't be. No way. Can't be. Can't be, man. That's what we used to say. It was a saying in the 80s. Only in this town where I come from, it was a saying. It was not spread all over the place. We had a whole bunch of different sayings there. And we'd say something like, oh yeah, she come over, man. She come over with a box of beer too. Can't be. Yeah, man. She was ready to go. All right, okay. Let's do this here. Sell right here. Stop right here, 20 points. Oh, it missed it by 1. Oh, you motherfucker. Okay. Here's a double bottom. Come on, pick it up. Just like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's divergent. Yeah, it is. It didn't for a second because this wasn't lining up with this, but that's not what I need to line up. I need to line up this to this. See? Look at this again. Oh, I'm clicking on it. Okay. I know my videos are long these days, but I'm given every few minutes or so while I'm doing it, something clicks in my head and I share it with you. So you have all this knowledge from this kind of trading. But it's the main thing is the divergence. I didn't even show you any pullback trades yet. What am I trying to? No. So you would have got long right there. Your stop would have been at the closest near swing low, which the price never comes back because they take out the stops or scare the living the bejesus out of people. Oh, look at it spike up there. I think we just hit the target. 23 pip stop. Look at that, 23 points right there. It just hit the take profit. Gotta love it. Oh, one more. Gold. What did gold do today? 5 minutes. Oh, I see the trade. What about up here? Yeah, there's a trade right here in the UK session. Let me show you. High and higher high. There, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Lines up perfectly, see? Right there. Right there. I don't know how anybody can say that divergence doesn't work. I don't know how that could possibly be. So you would have got short right here. Your stop was right here, 25.5 points. It went against a little bit, 10 points, but look, it came down, came down. 165 points down to the bottom, okay? Now, do we have another divergence trade? Yeah, we do. We do. Hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. See You would have sold it on the opening of that candle. Your stop is always the closest swing near high right here. 36-point stop. Came down 66. So there you have it. Oh, I'm not done yet. Oh, there's always a signal on every corner. Yeah. Right here, low and lower low. And right here. That's it. Okay. Stop, swing low. 60 points. Did we get 60 points yet? I don't think so. 35. You would have got something out of it. Even if you only got 2 ticks, if you moved your stop to break even, you would have got something out of it. Okay. That's it. That's the last instrument. So anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and listening. And if you could be so kind, you know, to hit the like button and subscribe, because it's free, 0 cost to do so. So anyway, if you're gonna stay trading this afternoon, I urge you to be careful. There could be some wild, crazy moves. You never know. Something could happen out of nowhere because of, you know, the crisis in Israel and all that kind of stuff, you know, all that jazz. So anyway, thank you again. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon. Have yourself a great lunch if it's lunchtime where you are. Okay. Good luck and good trading.